Susie from HeyGrillHey, and today we're talking tailgating. I'm gonna bring you some of my favorite tips and tricks for tailgating with the crowd so you're not standing in front of a charcoal or a gas grill, burning your fingers while all your friends are hanging out eating. We're doing it barbecue style. All right, it's time to start all of the prep work so that tomorrow we can sit back and enjoy. This is the pre-game. This is where we get everything ready to hit the smoker. We've got smokers preheating right now, 225 degrees. I think we're running a combination of hickory, oak, and cherry so we can get some great smoke flavor and some great color. I'm gonna spend just a couple minutes trimming down this brisket, prepping these pork butts, slather them with mustard. I'm gonna hit the brisket with my beef seasoning, the pork shoulders with my sweet rub seasoning. These are both available in my shop, Patio Provisions. And the reason that we're choosing these big cuts is because we can let them smoke overnight. They'll be ready to go tomorrow, and we need to let them rest. So that critical rest period is gonna be in a cooler on the way to the stadium, so that when we get there, all we gotta do is slice and serve. Beef or sweet?
Sweet.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, we hit him. Okay. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it.
All right. It's 1:15 a.m. and I'm still up because I'm in charge of watching the meet. Susie's sleeping. This is my job, you guys. It's a good job. So let's go outside, see how we're doing. Here's where we're cooking. It's holding steady. You can't really see that. It says 225. Move the pork up here because it's smaller. Maybe it'll cook a little slower. Sorry, the lighting's bad. Nothing I can do about that. Good to go. I'm gonna try to get a couple hours of sleep.
So Todd did the rough work last night. He stayed up, made sure the fire maintained all night long. This morning, it's my job to just check the temperatures and pull these off the smoker. So I like to play my big meats by feel, and every cook I do is a little bit different. I usually wrap my briskets and my pork shoulders in butcher paper like this. It's unwaxed, untreated. It allows the smoke to really penetrate the meat while keeping the moisture inside. However, this time we didn't wrap it all. We put them on the smoker, let them go all night long, all day until we hit our target temperature. And this is because I wanted that darker, more rich, more crunchy bark on the outside. If you're okay with a little bit softer bark to maintain some of the moisture, you have a lower fat content maybe, go ahead and wrap. Because we had so much fat in these meats though, they could stay unwrapped all night long, and the color on the outside is beautiful. So what I'm gonna do with the butcher paper is I'm actually gonna use it to wrap and rest the meat after it's done cooking, instead of wrapping in the middle of the process to help push through that long stall period. So our meats are off, they're getting wrapped in the butcher paper, and then we're gonna put them in a cooler with towels underneath, towels on top. That's gonna keep them insulated. It's gonna keep them nice and warm and juicy until we're ready to serve. Okay guys, sliced brisket, got a little burn ends on there. Beautiful pulled pork, a whole tray of ribs. Make sure you bring plenty of sauces and seasonings, napkins, plates, drinks, and chips. And seriously, so easy. Like, this was all done before we even got in the car. So now we can hang out with our people and enjoy tailgating. I hope you guys love this video. Like, comment, whatever you do at the end of awesome videos so that you can see these videos next time, because we're coming out with new ones every week. See ya.